In this video, I'm going to give you 10 soft pull pre-qualification personal credit cards that you can get without a hard inquiry to see if you're going to be pre-approved or pre-qualified before you accept any offers. These are going to be the top 10 pre-qualification and pre-approval personal credit cards that you can apply for today. So if you want to see more videos about all things personal and business credit, make sure that you subscribe to the channel, hit the bell icon to receive notifications on when I release new videos. Also, before we get started, we are doing a early Black Friday promotion starting right now. You can get 50% off of our credit and funding. Membership is only going to be $99 until December 1st. If you sign up after December 1st, it'll be $199 per month. So you can save 50% if you click the link down in the description box below and sign up before December 1st. You're going to get access to the community is hosted on the school platform. You'll get access to the free DIY credit cleaning software where you can get inquiries, late payments, collections, repossessions, bankruptcies, and more removed off of your credit report. And this is using the #1 recommended software out there that actually works. You also are going to get access to 350 banks and credit unions that offer 0% interest APR for up to 18 months on business credit cards. Also, some secret hacks that will help you get some items removed in as little as 24 to 72 hours. You can post questions anytime. You also get access to exclusive prizes and bonuses for hitting leaderboards. We have a done-for-you funding service on the business side. This does not include business credit card stacking that will come with the membership, so we can help you with getting term loans, lines of credit, real estate funding loans such as hard money loans, fix and flip loans, and then also bi-weekly Q&A sessions, and then several free ebooks and other workbooks and resources that you'll get for free as a bonus. Those are the 3 free bonuses that you'll be able to get if you sign up right now, and you'll also save 50% off of the normal monthly pricing. Okay, so the first credit card that we're going to talk about is the Goldman Sachs personal credit card. They do have a business credit card as well, but the personal credit card you can also get with a soft credit check to get pre-qualified. So these are Goldman Sachs GM branded credit cards, but you can use them anywhere because they are MasterCards. Also, if you get approved for the 0% APR introductory offer, that goes up to 9 months. And then after that, it could be a variable APR of 19.74% all the way up to 29.74%. And then you also get rewards on spending with GM. So with every dollar you spend with GM, you'll get 7 times the rewards. You'll get 4 times the points if you spend anything anywhere else, and the points do not expire. Also, there are no annual fees or foreign transaction fees or cash advance fees. So that's a plus right there. And then they also have a comparison here on how their rewards stack up between normal cashback reward credit cards, or stack up against normal cashback credit cards. So the next one is going to be the NASA Federal Credit Union personal credit cards. This one is a popular one. You can also get a pre-qualification with no impact to your credit score. So of course, a soft pull pre-qualification on any one of the credit cards that they have here. So you can choose whichever one that you want, and then you can click on check your rate, and you can see if you are pre-qualified. You also want to make sure that your Experian is unlocked because they will be doing a soft credit check on Experian. And if you get pre-qualified, you can also, if you get pre-qualified, you can accept the offer. Now, sometimes if you're pre-qualified, you may not get approved. So a pre-qualification is not a pre-approval. They're 2 different things. If you get pre-approved, you're going to get the card. But if you get pre-qualified, there is a chance that you may not actually get the card if you accept the pre-qualification offer. So I'm going to show you some cards here that do pre-approvals where it's pretty much guaranteed that you will get approved if you get pre-approved during the soft credit check pre-approval process. So here's one of them right here. This is Discover. They do offer pre-approvals without a hard inquiry. What you want to do is you want to click on check now, and then you'll be able to select whether you want cashback or any other type of rewards. And then it's going to give you an offer if you pre-qualify or pre-approve for any of their credit cards. Now, if you do not get pre-approved for any of the credit cards, you can reapply in 3 to 9 days, I believe, after the first denial. So you can reapply in less than 30 days. They have several different cards that you can get pre-approved for. It's pretty straightforward. They also have a pre-approval for their personal loans that go up to $40,000. So you can also get this without a hard credit check. You can get an answer without a hard credit check. And then if you get pre-approved, you'll get that hard inquiry if you accept the offer. Also, for this one, they will pull Experian. For the credit cards, they may pull all three or look at all three bureaus depending on where you live. Now, the next one is American Express. So they have pretty much the same thing on their cards, but you can get a pre-approval for the personal cards as well as the business cards. And another great thing about American Express is that once you get approved for one card, you can actually get more cards without a hard inquiry, and they will pull Experian for pretty much all of their credit cards. So once you get that first credit card, it'll be one inquiry. And then after you go and apply for the other credit cards and get approved, it's just a soft credit check. So only one hard inquiry if you start with a personal one, like a personal credit card, then go over to the business side and get a business credit card. If you have a business, you can get both of those in the same day. They actually let you get, I think, up to 3 within 90 days. And then after that, you can get other credit cards as well. And of course, they also have charge cards where you have to pay it back every single month or up to 60 days, or they may give you an option to do pay over time. The next one is going to be the Care Credit Card by Synchrony Bank. Now, this one is for personal health expenses only. It's a charge card, actually. You can get this card to pay for dental expenses, surgeries. You can use it for vision expenses as well as even a chiropractor. So here are the categories. You can also use it for pets as well. They do offer high limits as well, also because it is for higher limit or higher price expenses such as, surgeries and procedures. So you can also use it for cosmetic purposes, whether it's non-surgical or surgical. And this is another one that is pretty much a pre-approval. So if you get approved, like if you click on apply and select your category, click on apply after that, you start by entering the last 4 of your social and then your mobile phone number. But it says here a pre-qualification, but 9 times out of 10, if you get pre-qualified for the Care credit cards, you're going to actually get approved. So once you accept the offer, it will be a hard inquiry, and they do check TransUnion. You don't have to have perfect credit to get a Care credit card or charge card. You need to have at least fair credit, so at least a 620 minimum. Even though fair credit starts at like a 580, but you want to make sure that you have at least a 620. The next one is going to be a Citibank pre-qualification. They do pre-qualifications for all of their personal credit cards. Very simple. You just fill out this form here, put in the last 4 of your social, your address, and then you can see if you're pre-qualified for any of their credit cards. They also have some credit cards that are 0% APR introductory rates as well. Theirs go up to 21 months, which is some of the highest that I have seen. And that's for the balance transfers. Now for regular purchases, it goes up to 12 months. Now on the Citi Diamond Preferred, it's pretty much the same thing. You just may get a lower APR after the introductory rate. And then the next one is the Citi Custom Cash Rewards. This one is where you will get the 5% cash back or 1% cash back, depending on the category. So depending on your credit score, if you have good credit, you can possibly get any one of these and get a 0% APR introductory rate for up to, 15 months is the highest for purchases, and then 21 months for balance transfers. So here's another pre-approval. Capital One is pretty much the most popular with the pre-approvals, because if you get pre-approved with Capital One, you're gonna get a Capital One card. So whatever they offer you is what you'll get. And so if you do the soft pull pre-approval and get an offer, and then you accept the offer, you will get a hard pull on all 3 of your bureaus. So if you don't want to get a hard pull on all 3 of your bureaus, make sure that you freeze the bureaus that are the ones that have the lowest scores and leave the one with the highest score unfrozen. And there will be some links in the description box below for you to go to some of these pre-approval applications, especially for Capital One. There is going to be a link down below. So if you get approved for a Capital One credit card, you'll be able to get that credit card right away, because again, the pre-approval is an actual approval. The next one is going to be the Wayfair credit card. So you can also get a pre-qualification. Again, this is different than a pre-approval. A pre-qualification is pretty much saying that you're qualified for the card. It's not 100% that you're going to actually get the card, but it's giving you a rough estimate. So they have a MasterCard, and then they have just the store card. The MasterCard you can use anywhere, and you can also get cash back. 3% on groceries, 2% on online purchases, 1% on everything else. And then if you want to see if you're pre-qualified, just click on check now, and then you put in your information here and you may get an offer. So that is pretty much the Wayfair credit cards. Also, you can get other types of financing without a hard credit check. All right, so here's a golden nugget. The next 2 pre-approval applications will require that you be opted into opt-out or OptoutPrescreen.com. This is where you will actually receive pre-screened pre-approval offers to your mail from pretty much all of the major credit card companies out there. They do look at the Equifax, Experian, and Innovis, as well as TransUnion. So you'll make sure that you are opted in by clicking here where it says click here to opt in or opt out. You will have to select opt in, click continue, and then fill out your information. It may take a week for them to have everything registered, but you will have to have this opted in before you go over to Chase's pre-approval. So Chase actually has a pre-approval, sometimes that they enable or disable sometimes, but it's available right now at the time of recording this video. So you can see if you're pre-approved for any offers without a hard credit check. So all of their personal credit cards, you can see if you're pre-approved for any of them, but you have to make sure that you are signed up for opt-out pre-screen. And I'll leave a link to this in the description as well. So also, depending on where you are, they may pull Experian or TransUnion. Most likely it may be TransUnion, so make sure both of those are unlocked. Now the last one is going to be Regions Bank. They also do a pre-approval, and they also use OptoutPrescreen.com. So if you try to sign up for this as well and you are not opted into that website, you're not going to receive any pre-approved offers. Doesn't mean that you're not pre-approved. You're just not going to get one because you're not opted in. So Regions Bank offers several different credit cards, but you have to actually be in one of their geographical locations where they have a branch to get one of their credit cards. So it's not available for everybody. I know they are available in Texas. They're available in Alabama, Arkansas, Florida, Georgia, Iowa, so on and so forth. So Regions Bank is really regional. So if you are located in one of these states, you can definitely see if you are pre-approved for any of their personal credit cards. They also have business credit cards that you can get as well. One of them has cash back and the other one is just a regular business credit card. And for this, you will have to apply in the branch. So thank you for watching. Make sure that you subscribe. Make sure that you hit the bell icon to receive notifications on when I release new videos. Also comment down below if you have any questions or if you are approved for any of these credit cards that you see in this video. Let us know in the comments down below. And also, if you want to get more information on how you can clean your credit, how you can get business credit, and other types of funding, as well as personal funding, we have so much in this community for a low price. You definitely want to take advantage of the Black Friday sale before it ends. Thank you, and I'll see you in the next video.